Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we're gonna talk about the acoustic guitar that this brand sent to me for this video. So a couple things before anything. I don't know how to play guitar. My friend, who you were seeing before, actually he does, and he's really good with that. He's been playing guitar for the past 20 years or so. He even has a band actually, and he shares some of his thoughts about this beginner, which he said that is a little bit more stepped up than in a beginner guitar, that I'm gonna just share with you. But another thing that I like about this one, at least I like for like a beginner, I'm already hooked. Like, this guitar offers everything that you need as a beginner. Everything is in the bag, everything you will get just to start your journey. And another thing that my friend told me, that this guitar actually, the acoustic is so good for being a beginner's guitar that you don't even need an amplifier. You can use an amplifier, probably you saw that on the video. Let's share just a little bit more. But if you don't have one, you don't need it. So, things that he said about this guitar before I show you what you get out of the bag and out of the box is that he said he was surprised, number one, by the build quality of this guitar. So let's take a closer look. So he was really surprised about the build quality of this guitar. So you can see how nice this one looks. And the finish, so the finish, like even on the wooden accents and of course on the edges of the guitar and soft to the touch, like he said that the build quality, even with the acoustic of this guitar, was actually really good. Another thing that he mentioned is that you can see the 12 strings. And also this section right here, he said that it was pretty well made as well. He was tuning it in and just like playing with adjusting the guitar and everything. And he was really surprised about it. Another thing that he said is like the bridge, all this section over here is also good quality and well made. So he was really surprised about that. And of course, last piece of the puzzle right here, that you have the built-in adjuster and also for tuning in and the presets and the equalizer. He was also surprised that you can do it right here on the side. So the other thing is what you get out of the bag, which, by the way, you get a bag to take this guitar with you if you're going to go on learning lessons or something like that. You can take it on the bag. You have the instruction manuals right here. Give it a read. I think it's important if you're just beginning your journey. You also have some vinyls right here, which I can't show you because they have the website and some information, but you have the vinyls right here to stick them to the actual guitar if you also want. You have the capo here. You have the cable for the amplifier if you're gonna get an amplifier. You have your first set of this one just to play the guitar with you and not just like your hands or your nails. And you also have a set of strings right here that you can use to adjust it also as well. And this one right here is actually important to have because if you're gonna put this one on the ground, on the floor, this one is gonna be the base and you're not gonna be damaging the actual cover. As well as having this handle right here, which is also really cool and important for weighting the actual guitar. One more thing, right here, you're gonna find the strap to strap the guitar and putting in your shoulder. The bottom line, and fitting this with my friend's perspective as a professional, he said that this guitar will be a step up for a beginner because it's a little bit more advanced. It's really well made, really good build quality, really good acoustic, the equalizer, the quality of the strings. I don't want to kill this guitar. The quality of the strings and of course how it sounds without an amplifier, even with an amplifier. He was really happy with it, so sharing his thoughts, I think this is worth it. Of course, if you're into beginner's journey, this may be the one for you.